Oh,
check it.
That
Makes sense.
Isn't that painful?
That's
like plant ball research.
yeah, that's what I thought too.
Hey, Mom, aren't you in pain still?
We'll know in a minute.
I'll just watch it on the video.
Okay, don't move your head.
Oh, no. Are you okay? Did you do it? Does it hurt? I'm good.
She's still alive.
Yeah, that's good for mom. I think mine was learning how to do it. I let him guinea pig on me. Here's through. And then went to the top.
You should take a picture.
Oh, yeah. What do you think the painful as piercing is?
Most painful thing?
Yeah, the most painful piercing?
Rook.
On your face region.
Rook. In your ear.
Yeah,
What's that?
Like,
I don't know. That guy.
Here, I'll show you. Oh yeah, I've seen those before.
I'd want to get a corset piercing one.
Those things, I heard you can't keep them forever because they'll reject.
Oh, You like it?
Girl, let me see. Let me see. There's a thing in my eyes. Let me see.
What do you think?
Never realized.
That is pimped out right there, dude. That is cool.
Are you okay? You look like you're gonna die.
Yeah, lay down.
I'm sorry. It's just
Yeah, you
Crazy?
get used to it.
it's like.
Lay down. Relax.
You're all good.
Here, let me see my tattoo. I got a tattoo right here. Got my belly button pierced, which I took it out, and my nose.
Why'd you take it out?
You have to get a smaller one when the flag
Oh.
down and stuff.